back cover is equipped with a pressure relief valve to provide additional safety for the pump and operator. It is recommended that the pressure relief valve assembly be replaced at each overhaul or anytime the pump overheats and activates the valve. Never replace this valve with a substitute that has not been specified or provided by the Gorman-Rupp company. Periodically, the valve should be removed for inspection and cleaning. When reinstalling the relief valve, apply pipe sealant with Teflon number 592 or equivalent compound on the relief valve threads. Position the valve as shown with the discharge port pointing down.
For more information on pump hydraulics, equipment, or application engineering, watch Gorman-Rupp's YouTube channel and visit us at grpumps.com.